Do you ever get frustrated learning Chinese characters because a lot of them can look really similar to each other? Well, how do you learn to distinguish these similar looking characters and components? Well, I'll give you a tip. Learn the logic of each character and you won't get them confused anymore. Let's look at these two, which are both common components in other characters. How do you know when to use the one with the dot and when to use the one without? Well, let's take a look at some of the characters they show up in. Now, when these show up in other characters, they're usually sound components, so I bet when you see the pronunciations of these characters, you'll probably notice a pretty clear pattern. The one with the dot is pronounced liang, and it's used in characters pronounced niang, liang, lang, lang, and so on. The one without the dot is pronounced gun, and it's used in characters pronounced gun, hen, gun, and so on. Now, it may be tempting to think that sound components only indicate that the characters rhyme, but actually there's more than that. The initial consonants are related too, so let's take a look. If you pronounce G, H, and even K, G, K, H, you'll notice that they're pronounced in the same part of the mouth, the back. So we call these related initials. The same is true of N and L, N, L. They're both pronounced with the tip of your tongue just behind your teeth. So they're also related. So if you see characters with the same component, it shouldn't be surprising if they start with different sounds. Those are related initials, and it's really common for characters with the same sound